Kikubo kibabanya. Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla berkemi ia ketenat ki kampok yeng ubak Preston Tingsong ulah pentip bala perking ia ke Jingpyrkhing Shilynter ki Jaka Khappud bat kari Bangladesh. Kasoka Jylla haringkat ke Jing Trelang bat ikan hun pahara kasoka pedeng ki berkentup ia ke sipai BSF kila perking ia ke Jingpyrkhing baro apusau kenta ban pentikna bahkan umdon kenu-kenu ke Jingwan rungtu syauput usam ke Jylla. Labata Chief Secretary ke Jylla bat ya ke DGP ban penshitom da ke beting ya kinu-kinu ki berpersang ban penkeng ya ke an. Nalo kenia labata ru ya baro kinong ilam shnong ban ya ke Jing Trelang bat ikan huan pahra ban yada ya ki Jaka Khappud. Ubat tingsong ulah pentip ru ba ke Jing kren halo ban penbet nyo ya ki Jaka ki bedang don ha pedeng ke Jing ya kaja Shilynter ki Khappud kadang ya cekmat.
Right now, in fact, everything is in order, and the meeting with the concerned central agencies like BSF and others, we are always in touch, and the state government, the DGP, in the DGP's level, then Chief Secretary's level, we do have a meeting. We are closely monitoring the situation of the international border with Bangladesh, because we knew it, the situation is very, very fluid. So therefore, even from the government side, we have already instructed all the traditional heads, the village authorities, to cooperate with the agencies.